Oh, Assalamu alaikum. This is Abdul Rahman, and you're watching Lerobotic channel. In these days, we are seeing this lot of photo editing, especially the Christmas photo editing. Background with the snow, well, a little bit of Christmas cartoon. So this video I'm making just to tell you how to edit this photo just in a second. I mean, in a minute. It's very easy. Believe me, very easy. You can see I have edited this photo in just a minute, okay, as well as this one in just a minute, and this was in just a minute. So I will show you how to edit. It's very simple, very easy. Just 10 minutes, sorry, just 5 minutes you can work and you can edit your photo to yourselves. Okay, so let's go to the main topic. Before start the video, please subscribe my channel and as well as hit the bell icon, and as well as video, share the video. Thank you. So coming to the point, this is the link. I have also copied the link in the description. You can paste here in your browser, whether you have iPhone or let's see, no problem. Okay, so just paste the link and refresh it. Okay, but there is a problem. Okay, as you can see in my mobile, the link is cannot opening. Safari cannot open the page because it could not establish a secure connection to the server. Okay, so how to resolve this issue to until open this link and edit our photos? Okay, just go to App Store. If you have App Store, if you have Galaxy or Android devices, just go to Play Store, type VPN. Okay, sorry, this is VPN, and you can install any VPN. It will work with any VPN. Okay, no problem, but I suggest this one, VPN Proxy Master. Okay, install this one. Wait a minute, it will be installed. Okay, where is my screen? Look, this is installing right now. Okay, very simple. Okay, just in one click you can edit your photos. Okay, open this VPN Proxy Master. Okay, wait a minute for it. Agree, close, and it is totally free. You have not to pay any sort of amount here. Okay, tap to reconnect, allow. Okay, and just wait, it will be connect. Okay, this is an app. Okay, in Chinese language you can load up. Okay, so now you can see it is connected. Okay, from here our work is finished. Okay, cancel. You can remain this one as it is. Okay, come to the browser again and refresh the link. Okay, so now we're saying the link is open totally. Okay, this is the link, and this link you can make or edit your photo as you can see in the photo just in 1 minute. Okay, not more than 1 minute. Okay, only 1 minute it will take, and you can edit it as it is. Okay, come to the select photo. Okay, select photo again, photo from library. Okay, choose any photo you want to edit there. Okay, example. Okay, let me edit my example in front of you. Okay, which one? Example, I'm editing this photo. Okay, this is not my actual photo. Let me skip this one more. Okay, which one? Let's select this one. Okay, this cute baby. Okay, the actual size should be the actual size. Okay, if you select small or medium or large size, so that will definitely affect the quality. Okay, the photo quality. So select actual size. After actual size, select the choose button. Okay, wait a minute for it. Yeah, so it has chosen. So now after this, if you want to crop, you can crop, or you don't want crop, just select the crop button. Okay, the photo is now selected as you can see on the left corner. Okay, after this select the go button. Okay, whenever you select the go button, it will take some process and will take your photo on inside on the phone in the snow. Okay, look, the photo has been edited in just in a minute. Okay, so that is how it was easy. Okay, photo in your mobile gallery and you can share in Facebook and also in WhatsApp status, whatever you want. Okay, so hit the save. If you have Android device, click on the download, it will directly download to your gallery. If you have iPhone, it will download to the browser first. Okay, look, and after that click on the left corner, it will save image. Now it is, now you can disconnect this one because we have almost finished it. Okay, it's already disconnected. Come to the gallery and you can see the photo which we have edited. Now you can share this one even with your friends, or you can have your Facebook update profile, whatever you want. Okay, so how it was, you subscribe my channel. Okay, and hit the bell icon. Thank you.